A company is an organization formed by a group of persons to carry on business and earn profit. It is created under law and has a separate legal identity. 2. Definition of company. According to Companies Act, a company is a legal entity formed and registered under the Act. A company is an association of persons recognized by law as a separate legal entity. 3. Is company a legal person? Yes, a company is a legal, artificial, person. Explanation. It can own property. It can sue and be sued. It can enter into contracts. But it is not a natural person because it has no physical body or mind. 4 characteristics of a company. 1. Separate legal entity. Company is different from its members. Members are not personally liable. Example, company's debt is not personal debt of shareholders. 2. Perpetual succession. Company continues forever. Death or exit of members does not affect it. Simple meaning, company never dies. 3. Limited liability. Liability of members is limited to their shares. 4. Artificial person. Created by law. Cannot act itself, works through directors. 5. Common seal. Official signature of company. Used to approve documents. 6. Transferability of shares. Shares can be easily transferred. 7. Capacity to sue and be sued. Can take legal action and can be sued. 5. Explanation of statement. The company is an artificial person created by law with perpetual succession and common seal. This statement explains the nature of a company. Artificial person, not human, but treated as person by law. Created by law, comes into existence through legal process. Perpetual succession, continues forever. Common seal, official identity for legal acts. Conclusion. A company is an artificial legal person created by law. It has important features like separate identity, perpetual succession, and limited liability. Courts have confirmed that a company is different from its members, making it an essential part of modern business law.